Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to fix audio unavailable on Instagram. So if you are posting a reel or a story or even a post and you got some music on there, you might see this over here. So right at the top, you can see there's a bunch of music and you can search for it. Now, you will maybe get a notice that says some music is unavailable for your account type, which means a professional Instagram account, and also sometimes it may be unavailable in your region. Now, let's say that this is not the case. Now, if it is the case, it'll tell you that that particular song is unavailable in your region. However, let's say that you are actually choosing a song that is available in your region and has no copyright infringement on it so that you can actually use it with your account type. We're going to go now out of Instagram and we're going to go into our phone settings. Now, this is a fail-safe for absolutely any issue that you may be having with an app. You're going to look at your apps over here in your settings, and from here you're going to look for the Instagram app. Now, once you get to the Instagram app, you're going to go ahead and look for the storage. And right over here, you can see it says storage. You're going to tap on storage and you're going to look at the cache. You're going to clear the cache. And if this doesn't help, you can now go back in here. You can clear data. And further, if that does not help, you can remove Instagram from your device. You can then install Instagram again from your Play Store. And then you should have all the errors or any bugs fixed. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.